This is the voice flow project that allows a client's customer to purchase any product that they would want, whether it be in WhatsApp or Instagram. The main purpose for it is for lead generation and to capture customer orders. So the advantages of this chatbot is going to be able to save the client's time, meaning that they won't be constantly on the phone answering questions. A better customer experience. So this is active 24/7. So each and every customer of the client can contact the chatbot and be able to get an answer or purchase a product. So that means that they're going to have happier clients and they're going to be more informed by the product. The next one, you're going to get increased leads that equals to increased profits. So the software that's going to be used here is VoiceFlow, Make.com, Google Sheets, and Gmail. The main feature is going to be capturing product details and sending them in an email, allowing a customer to send a customer inquiry, setting up a fallback system, meaning that a client is going to be able to respond to their customers via email after they receive the message, and also capturing all the questions within a spreadsheet. If the customers need to ask in a recording, that is also going to be provided, meaning that the client is going to receive recordings of the questions that would have been asked. So let's go through the spot. So the spot actually starts here. Basically, the chatbot is going to be able to greet the customer, the welcome message, whenever they access it. So as you can see here, it says, hello, welcome to whatever company name that I would have put there for the client. So basically, this is how it would run. So let's just run a test. All right. So basically, this is the type of message that the client is going to, the customer is going to receive. So let's just say this is a clothing store. So it's going to offer the first product, the second product, and the third product. And also, it will also give an option to whether you want the customer to contact the client or not. So let's say the customer chooses product 1, right? So when the client chooses product 1, it's going to take them to the next step, all right? The products has options as well. So let's say it's a t-shirt and it's got different colors. So you can say I'll choose option 3. Let's say that would be black. Right? So it's going to take them to the next. So it's going to ask them, would you like to send an inquiry? If no, it's going to take them back and finish the order. If you type in yes here, it's going to take them to the next. So it's going to basically ask for the customer's name. This is where you can enter the name. And then it's going to ask for the client's email. And then it's going to be put there. And then afterwards, it's going to give them a message which says, thank you. And you'll be contacted about the product that the customer would have chosen. After this, it's going to ask to be taken back. And then it'll be back to the products that need to be chosen. So this is quite a simple setup. Whenever the client selects whatever product that they want, and then it takes them to a carousel, which saves this into a variable named product type, and then it just enters that value as a text value. So to trigger the AI, I put a no match component right here. So if the customer does not pick anything that matches here, the AI will then be triggered, where the AI would be here. So the question is going to be thrown to the last utterance, and it's going to be run through the knowledge base. So the questions that the customer asks are all going to be saved as variables, which they can then be sent via a webhook through a spreadsheet. So if the question asked does not contain any contact, they're going to be taken here to check the answer, whether it's going to ask them whether the question has been answered, a yes or no. And if the question is answered and it says yes, it's going to move down to this section where it's going to record that into the spreadsheet, and it's going to give the message that it's been successful. Then it's going to push them down to ask them whether they want to ask another question. If not, it's going to take them back to the start. So if they say no, it's going to basically take them here where it's going to say bad answer, and it's going to push them down to this carousel where whether they would like to speak to a company representative or not. If they say yes, their message is going to be taken to the company representative. If no, the chatbot will take them back to the start where we were in the beginning, right here. If a customer wants to make an inquiry, right here, let me just highlight that, right here, right? If they want to contact someone, it's going to take them down to this section right here. Here they can enter a custom message, right? But before that message is taken to the actual company, it's going to be run through the AI to figure out whether it can respond to that message through the knowledge base that we would have fed it. If not, the AI is going to push it to the company representative, and they're going to be able to get them the email and respond to the client as soon as possible. We recently created a similar system for a client. It was much more complex than this. It could take in pictures. They could purchase multiple products on the actual platform. It was connected to WhatsApp, and we made sure that the clients could actually also pay for their products rather than them being taken to another website. So I'll put the link in the description so that you can check out that project. And also, if you are interested in integrating a system like this into your company, you can go to the link in the description below, where you can book a meeting with me, and we can go through your company and see whether or not this is going to be an advantage to your company. If you want to create something like this as well, I'll put down the resources, and I'll put a link at the description as well so that you can join my new community that I'd recently started, for where I'll be able to share my resources and the resources that I come across. So it will definitely help you in getting this started. So this is all I wanted to present today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe so that this video can be shared to people who might need to learn and understand how to integrate AI systems or AI chatbots into their companies so that they can increase productivity. So I'd like to thank you, and I'll see you later.